So what about to do is just show you my method of when I get Lego in the mail that I've done like a bought buy of somebody's Lego sets. The first thing I do is usually come over here and print part of the instructions out, just both the parts and the picture, so when I bag it up, I know I have everything in place. So what I do is I just have this saved up here, the Lego address that has the instructions. It's very easy. Instead of having to look up the instructions every time, just click right here where it says the number of the model, and then I'm just going to change that to 75314, and then just enter, and that's going to take me to the set that I'm getting ready to take apart, or double check to make sure that they sent me all the parts, since it's a used set that I was looking at. Then you're going to go down here and download it. Some of them take a little longer than the others. This one might take a few seconds. Once it's downloaded, you're going to get the pages over here. You're going to see over here that you have the picture of the set. I personally like taking this picture of the set and putting it in the bag that I'm bagging all the parts with. That way it's easy for me to find, and you see what you're getting. But we don't want to print all the instructions, so I'm just going to print that, and I'm going to print the parts pages. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over to my printer, and then instead of all pages, we're going to do custom, and we're going to do page 1, because we just want 1 right now. And the reason I do this separate than the parts is because sometimes I want this to be much smaller than maybe what the parts are going to be. Sometimes I want the parts to be shown bigger. This I just want an image, so I'm going to go here, I'm going to go to custom, and then I'm going to choose my percentage. Usually I go about 70%, seems to be pretty good. It takes about 1/4 of a piece of paper up. And it also, then I'm going to print it. And it also takes lots of ink, of course, because you're printed in color, unless you don't want to. After that's sent to the printer, I'm going to come over here and just scroll all the way down on all the pages until you get down to the parts pages. This one here has 3 parts pages, 201, 202, 203. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to do a print again. Instead of all, I'm going to do custom. I'm going to go page 201 through 203. So 201 through 203. But I don't really want to do it like this because it's just going to waste paper. So I'm going to go into more settings. I'm going to go and do sheets per page. I'm going to do two pages per sheet. And you see how small they're going to be. So this is where we need to kind of upscale it again. So maybe like 120%, see what happens. So at 120%, it worked out perfect. It's going to give me my 3 on 2 pages instead. Be easier for me to find parts too. And then you're going to print, and that's it. And then I'll show you what those prints look like. And if you continue to follow my videos, you'll see how I take them apart and make sure the inventory is all correct. Thank you.